Minister T. Shyam Kumar appreciated Raj Medicity for all its contributions in health sector of Manipur on its 16th Foundation Day. And Youth Affairs and Sports Department observed Sanaroi Singhi Numit 2020 at Kumbalampang Sports Complex and Stadium. Kurumjuri, good afternoon. You are watching Tuesday Afternoon News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this afternoon. Raj Medicity held its 16th Foundation Day celebration at the hospital campus in North AOC today. Speaking at the event, Forest and Environment Minister Thongnachum Shyam Kumar lauded Raj Medicity for all its tremendous contribution in enhancing health sector of Manipur. He said staffs, doctors and nurses of the hospital are appreciated by the public for their professionalism and services. He also urged medical professionals to treat patients with kindness and compassion. Minister Shyam Kumar also urged the public to refrain from self-medication. He appealed to take regular exercise, eat nutritious foods and to maintain healthy habits at all times.
Rajmati security discipline tersina matam chana khoi treatment toba nurse na seba toba mayam ji urakan ngasi kudong ati ba kanang sagi purkan rajmati sita puona sagi Manipur pajamen haji kari tongan ba kathok ba amagi service fajaba thabuk tawina mayam ji top ba gulduna ngasi rajmati sida het kudong thiba kanda afaba rozo ade kanong ta bosu checkup or health checkup bosu rajmati salo na haji kari gna mayam ji afaba service na khoi highly bane masih bagus makan bikin orang apel tu. Ayo so andro kendra da hospital lama da koi mating saung na pangbi tu na lamdam dugi koi lai perjama am singa si koi mating pangbi. Si maksu mating nungai.
Speaking on the occasion, Chairman cum Managing Director Raj Medicity Hobijam Rajan said success of an organization depends on cordial relations between the organization's head and staffs. Hence, he strives for the same. H. Rajan said he has created a viable atmosphere for its staffs to enhance their efficiency. PDA Chairman Tongram Ravindro, Jiribam MLA Mohammad Asaf Uddin, Director of Health Services Dr. K. Rajo and many people attended the event. Commendable staffs were felicitated on the occasion.
Employer musung employer ka relation je phatragadi organization de matom de lepangam de masimang mapam da ni bizin number message adna organization je mapung phana phana chalai ga ta di organization matom da mangam da sum chatpa taragadi employees je adum lei horaga mamai thanda madu organization do khoi matom da marum dum lepa ngambadi laira na mangam da chakhe kena khali ba manglan ga loi feloi di customer satisfaction je ai employees na piga damni adu ai thodi customer member satisfaction piriba ai employee khuding ma mising me khan naidana satisfaction piba je masi ai priority ne khan je badana masi ai
Director of Regional Institution of Medical Science RIMS, Professor A. Santa, has announced increment of pension amount for RIMS pensioners. Speaking to media at RIMS today, Professor A. Santa disclosed that the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has approved pensions under 7th pay for around 900 RIMS pensioners. He appealed to the pensioners to submit their life certificates every 6 months. The RIMS director said 15 pensioners have been withdrawn as they failed to submit their life certificates and hence appealed to submit the necessary certificates to reverse the same.
Those pensioners are staying quite far away from RIMS, and those people who have already served more than 30-40 years, and then we suddenly realize that we may not be able to reach all of them. So through the press, we want to tell them that we will be implementing the 7-pay commission.
Scientists of Earth Science Department, Manipur University, Dr. S. Manichandra stressed on the need to reconsider state government's approval on construction of 7-story buildings in Manipur as the state lies in the 5 seismic zone, the highest risk zone of earthquake in the world. He was speaking to Impact News on the sidelines of a 2-day state-level awareness program titled Natural Disasters with emphasis on earthquake and week-long lecture series on earthquake, organized by Manipur Science and Technology Council at its training hall in Takilpata today. Dr. S. Manichandra said buildings in Imphal city were constructed without necessary tests and construction protocols. Hence, there is high chance of unexpected structural collapse in the city. He said the government's new initiative in the wake of scarcity of land needs consultation with experts. Former Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor C. Amuba, Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council, T.H. Surendrajit, Director of Science and Technology, E. Ibocha, and many people attended the event.
Manipur, especially Imphal Valley, high-rising building mayam laije. Si mayam ji sadring the seismic microzonation na nama karma mapam na kya wang pa sabe yani yaro en survey ma torga mapam lege da ne every mapam kun make se Guwahati gi lei Bangalore gi lei major city mayam nin tawre ko notice ki ta Nagaland kariya kha tawdri Manipur ju tawdri ada si chung tawdana sugam sa yani su wang ba yani je kamai lepino ha ma kitang mammi ko sima tasing badi se uribok ma pada saga da building jiga kitang haitri lilong chaba ka manaro magi ground gi akoi khar ka natural frequency namle fundamental frequency no ground sin nikada masi gi value ji yenga plus nature of the soil gi property ma'am du yenga kanda lep kada bane.
Three-day translation workshop organized jointly by National Book Trust India and Writers Forum Imphal kicked off today at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy today. Speaking on the occasion, Director of National Book Trust India, Yuvraj Malik said the workshop aimed to promote book culture in the country, especially among the children. He said the initiative will be carried out in series and today's workshop was the first step of the series. Yuvraj Malik said further translation programs will be held wherein Manipuri literatures will be translated into different languages of the country and literatures of other states will be translated into Manipuri. Translators were felicitated at the event.
So this will definitely attract a lot of children and create a lot of interest in them and promote them towards book reading. Not only this, we are going to come up with a national level book fair very soon in coming months in Imphal, so that this book culture is developed and children feel inclined and motivated to read more books and this culture sets in. And days to come, we will also try to bring and promote some literature festival with local support and local authors forums. So all these activities are entirely mandated to achieve the objective of promoting book culture and promotion to literature and heritage which we have all over countries.
Myra Global is supplying Manipur's indigenous handicraft and pottery items to the European markets. Proprietor of Myra Foods, Hanjabam Subra, sent off at the first consignment of Myra Global under Myra Foods to Netherlands today. Speaking on the sidelines of the flagging off event held at Nahabam Aribam Laikai in Imphal East today, Hanjabam Subra said the first consignment includes Kauna craft, traditional basketry, Thongjao pottery, handloom and block print items. He expressed hopes that the consignment will popularize Manipur's indigenous products in the international markets and boost the state artisans' income. H. Subra said Jos Burway of Netherlands-based Stitching Bulfully Art ordered the products and it was designed after selections made by one Dutch woman, Marie Konde. He also said arrangements are all set to export pineapple products of the state under Myra Foods to France.
Regular markets in quite a maru or say, artisans in Sida. Moitanga Sagi, Sidasun Tanbadi, I had a regular oida, but fluctuation am labor say. Moiki once a mutayap or rich a him fixed or any seep mammy habedma. Ado the Tama the Moy artisanamana cam tanning habedo, Madu the focus on Metaboxuza Payare. I tam the listening Taratagi, Kuntagi, Kuntratange, artisan to depend or any heba. When a shubang and Bigichang, Matum the Sugera, Manuma Pulaga Sugera, have a designer fixed or a Peter Kandamo, Matum Sura Aneba. Nahanga fix oiram the Bene. Aduna quality control say on why. Aduka Queen Huzik Maging, Kaduisina, China Super say, my Sugi was quite a while port of Makani, worksheet again Makada Sura, the quality control say, I'm blind at Obangami. Adumana Queen Toris worksheet again Makada Tabak Base, so that as I quality say Moina Palm, you put to Chapchanta on the Bahid.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on anti-CAA violence in northeast Delhi today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday After News on Impact TV. Northeast Delhi continued to see intense violence this morning, a day after protesters for and against the controversial citizenship law clashed and threw stones at each other, set vehicles and shops on fire. 7 people, including a cop, were killed and nearly 100 were injured in Monday's unprecedented violence. Over 48 police personnel were injured and have been hospitalized. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, the Lieutenant Governor and representatives of political parties held a meeting to discuss the situation today. The violence began on Monday hours before United States President Donald Trump was expected in the capital. Home Minister Amit Shah also held a late-night meeting with the Delhi Police Chief, the Union Home Secretary and other senior officials. Delhi government has ordered all private and government schools to be closed in Northeast Delhi district today in the wake of the violence. Delhi Metro has closed the Jafarabad, Mojpur Barapur, Gokulpuri, Johari Enclave and Sheikh Bihar stations. Now the sports news. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur observed Sanaroi Singhi Numit 2020 at Kumalampak Sports Complex Men's Stadium today. The day is being observed since February 25, 2000, commemorating Manipur's victory in the 1999 National Games hosted by Manipur from February 14 to 25th, wherein the state bagged 49 golds, 24 silvers and 39 bronze medals, securing altogether 484 points and lifted the coveted Raja Bhalendra Singh Trophy. Manipur has so far 18 Arjuna awardees, 17 Olympian, 4 Padma Shri awardees, 3 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awardees, 1 Dronacharya, Dhyan Chand, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan awardee each, 1 Olympic bronze medalist, 26 Asian Games medalist and 30 Commonwealth Games medalist. Sports teachers and sports persons took part in the ceremonial race held at the stadium on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Yao's Minister Lepao Haukip lauded sports persons of the state for bringing laurels despite various challenges. He assured that the government will facilitate them and provide them necessary help at its best. Yao's Commissioner Bobby Wycombe IAS, Yao's Director Dr. K. Sham Sundar, other eminent officials of Yao's department, sports enthusiasts and many people attended the event.
Ngasi Hongkong Nahanon Sananusi Mayamna, Hausi Pauda, Lady status, boxing, archery, amateur football, any discipline. The lady status is sitting, Kitam Wakan Nava, Wakan Lawn, determination, Amatamakanda, Apoy Mamang Satuna, improvement Puratana, Apoyi, Purnava, Lip Tavaduna, my Pama, so the Purakani Habat Hazabale.
Northeast United FC will face Chennai FC in the match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Guwahati's Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium tonight at 7:30 p.m. Goa FC with 39 points is at the top of the league's table tally, while ATK FC and Bangalore FC with 34 and 30 points each are at the second and third positions respectively. Real Kashmir FC defeated Indian Arrows by 1-0 in yesterday's Hero I-League match played at Srinagar's TRX Polo synthetic turf ground. Bazi Arman scored the lone winning goal at 70th minute of the match. Indian Arrows FC will face Chennai City FC in the league's next match on February 28. Mohan Bagan FC is at the top of the league's table tally with 32 points, while Minerva Punjab FC and Churchill Brothers FC with 21 and 19 points each are at the second and third position respectively. YMDA Maibam Laikai will meet YMDO Hirangwaithong in the final match of the first Major Maibia Tamara Singh Memorial Open Volleyball Tournament 2020 at YMDA ground in Lewa Road, Maibam Laikai today. YMDA defeated TRIVC by 3-0 in yesterday's first semi-final match, while YMDO beat MPSC by 3-2 in the second semi-final match to enter the finals. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister T.A. Shyamkumar appreciates Raj Medicity for all his contributions and health sector of Manipur on his 16th Foundation Day. And Youth Affairs and Sports Department observed Sana Racing in Nimit 2020 at Komalam Park Sports Complex, main stadium, there.